Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 2nd. Today, we're starting a new series, A Cup of Zen, inspired by Kai Tsukumi's book, A Cup of Zen, 21 short stories to calm the mind, stop overthinking, and find inner peace. I'm really excited about this one because I think stories are a powerful way to inspire reflection. A famous Zen master once said, "Pointing at the moon is not the moon." What does it mean? That words, explanations, and theories can only point you in the right direction. But to truly get something, you have to experience it. And Zen stories are such pointers, little glimpses into another way of seeing the world. They help us break free from rigid thinking, from belief that everything needs an answer. Sometimes the answer isn't an answer, though. It's just a different way of being. But first thing first, let's talk about what Zen actually is. Imagine you're holding a cup of tea. It's full to the brim, so full that if you try to pour in more, it overflows. And no matter how good the tea is, you just can't take in anymore. And now imagine that cup is your mind, stuffed with opinions, worries, distractions, and things you think you know. There is no space for new insights, no room for clarity. The more you cling to what you are already filled in with, the harder it is to experience anything fresh. This is where Zen comes in, says Kai Tsukumi, the author of this book. Zen isn't about religion or memorizing deep philosophical concepts. It's about seeing things as they are, without overcomplicating them. It's about being here, fully present, without carrying the baggage of the past or the anxieties of the future. Most of us are so caught up in our heads, planning, regretting, overthinking, that we forget how simple life actually is. Zen teaches us how to clear the noise and return to the moment. And of course, one of the best ways to understand Zen is through stories. And this is exactly what we will be doing in this series. As always, I'll be putting reflection prompts in our Mindful Mornings private group in case you want to get deeper and maybe journal around your experiences. Also, some of the practices in this series will need some props. Sometimes it's a cup of your favorite beverage, or maybe a stone, whatever it is, maybe a pen and paper. I'll be putting this information also in the same group together with the reflection prompts so that you can prepare for the next day if you choose to follow that invitation. But right now, let's do a simple Zen clarity meditation together to get us started. As always, take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Let your hands rest gently. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Do that for a few rounds. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be in this moment just as it is. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds in the sky or like ripples in the ocean. Don't try to push anything away. Simply observe. What remains when you stop searching and forcing and simply breathe, simply be? Maybe you notice that all things just settle in stillness, little by little. Now, as always, bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for being here, for doing this practice. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. And notice what remains after you stop searching and forcing. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.